live. Guys, this is a marathon of interviews I have never done in my life. Back to back, 6 to 7 interviews from morning 7 o'clock till now. And I'm trying my level best to keep up the energy, keep up the good spirit. And that's the best time to have somebody like Karan on the show. Karan had been a motivator, had been an energy coach, had been into fitness, had been into health, and he's the guy who is steering people's muscles and building them to the He-Man or the She-Man, right? So with that, I would like to welcome Karan on the show. Karan, thank you so much for accepting my invite. And I'm so glad that, today being the lockdown day, the Janta curfew day, people at home, I don't mind it because this is the one way I'm thinking of spreading goodness and values through people like you rather than getting scared and fear of the viruses. Viruses is like minuscules, and this is what I'm talking to you is you build the
Yeah,
body. Yes.
before thank you so much, sir, for inviting me, and my deep gratitude to you. Thank you so much. And yeah, you mentioned about the virus, but this virus is just it has come just now. But there's kind of other viruses which are people dealing with in their daily lives, and they kind of ignore it, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And the kind of viruses I'm talking about, that are kind of like virus of your comfort zone, right?
Nice, nice, very
And the
nice.
negativity, right?
Right,
The
right.
negativity, the closed mindset, right? That is the kind of that which are still exist, which still exist, and which are still nobody's helping on that, right? People are ignoring that. That is the kind of virus which is
So good.
going
Let me then
since our
jump in
independence.
straight with you, and let me ask you, how the hell did you get your own viruses rectified? What was the antidote? What was the vaccination you did by which from
So
a broken salesman to a lead salesman and then leaving the job, getting into business and all the amazing stuff that you are doing? I'm sure you have the secret sauce and the vaccine for that virus. So over to you, Karan, and let us all show what all things have been as a challenge and how did you overcome this. And let make this the sometime that we have most productive time of your entire day. Over to you.
yeah, so being honest, there is nothing as any secret sauce or any secret medicine which people like कि ये कर लो and ऐसा हो जाएगा या ऐसा nothing as that. It just I just started working on myself. I started working on my habits. Being honest, just my habits helped me to being and on my discipline. Right, I just went like that, just like an army officer. He he's someone who like I'm very much praised by their life, right? There's someone who wakes up every time early, every whether it is Sunday or Monday. They don't think like that. They wake up every time 5 o'clock or even 4 o'clock in the morning, right? And they go out and they work, they do their physical activity as and they do the normal work as well, right? So mine is simple like that. Like if I follow the same routine every day, like there hasn't been gone a single day where I haven't after 2000. I'm not saying now, but after that incident 2017, there haven't gone a single day where I haven't. I used to be like, जैसे ही उठना है, I used to like check my phones, checking social medias, checking my accounts, right? But now no, like it's just like I just started with this one thing, which is deep meditation. That is what I do every single day. That is my me time. Like nobody disturbs me at that time. Neither my phone, neither anyone, neither my friends or my family. Right. That is something which I do. So that was the only thing which helped me come out of my the blockheads in my head currently. That is what I'm trying to even say to others. Right. If you are someone, like, you need to control your mind, your thoughts. Everything starts from your mindset only, right? And
Right,
कुछ भी आपको life में करना है, right? You have to first control your mind, then only you'll be able to control your life.
right.
So that is my
So
main
yeah.
motto.
But you are recently into the industry of fitness and good health, you know. How are
Mhm.
you facing this kind of challenge? I'm sure a lot of your so-called clients or students or the people who are mentees of yours, they would be actually coming
Mhm.
and asking, how do you keep up yourself? So I would like to probably connect to today's situation also, as a lot of people are at home. They are devoid of
Mhm.
getting into gym. So what would be your
Yeah.
advice, on this kind of a day when you are locked in and this is the first time there is no bosses going to ask you for coming out, there is no traffic
Yeah.
outside, you are locked down
Mhm.
completely and there is no one. This is actually the first time you get your me time. The whole day is your me
Yeah.
time. So
Whole
what is your
days. Yeah.
time?
So, being honest, let me share you one incident like that happened. Uh, like when discussion with my client, basically, right? There was one of my old friend that got connected to me. She was like, like she was very obese,
Mhm.
right? So she wanted like to help her, sorry, in getting her weight loss because it was her his brother's wedding after 2 months, right?
Mhm.
So she just came to me and just wanted like, Karan, please help me. I want to lose weight. No, just please. Like she was very like she said, I'm very desperate, Karan, to lose my weight. Please help me. I want like in 1 month I can lose around this much kgs and this all. I was just listening to him. What was the kind of I can see the kind of desperation he has. Okay.
Mhm.
So basically there is one quote which I recently posted on my social media that was like the quote was simple. You can't in order to lose weight, you can't lose weight easily. You need to have that fucking patience.
Hmm.
Okay, that is what I said on my quote. So that is what the quote I shared with her, right? So and the other scene happened that she got really pissed off, and the reason was because I used that word fucking patience. She got like the use of this word is kind of very obnoxious. Is kind of very you can say not
I
up
understand.
to.
Yeah.
Yep. So that got her hurt. Being honest,
Hmm.
and she was like, I don't want to work with someone who uses such words and who, like, being honest, I'm the kind of guy who's very straightforward, who's like बुरा लगे किसी को नहीं लगे, I don't care. I
Mhm.
I go with honesty. I tell you the truth. I won't say कि, I have this magic pill and once you eat this or you do this, you'll be become like a shiny star or a new model sort of. No, I can't help you in that. If you
Right.
wanted that, go into others, like go into the programs and do all those stupid stuff, go to slim saunas and all whatever you eat and do that crap.
Right.
Right? So I just so because like people here want just shortcuts in their life, shortcuts to shortcut to success or shortcut to weight loss or shortcut to anything. Like they just want the shortcut कि कोई shortcut मिल जाए कोई like they don't want to take the stairs, being honest.
Hmm.
They
Hmm.
want to not just want the elevator just just fastly we reach there and boom, we are over there. So that is
So,
what people don't have in today's time, that is patience.
but now since people are locked down, they don't have extra work, no headaches. What would be your one advice for people to stay safe, stay healthy inside? Any kind of nuggets
So
that you want to share?
So mine advice is every day I'm doing live sessions on my Instagram as well as Facebook, which is home workout series on which
Mhm.
I coordinate and I do like this is not for age group of mine. Even I'm doing it with my mom as well. My mom
Oh,
as well
nice.
joins me and such kind and such kind of exercises we share with people, right? So that is my kind. Even I'm doing posting videos and doing every sort of stuff that you can do at home, but still I'm getting such excuses from people. No yaar, we wanted to go only gym and then only we'll able to we love weights, we love
I
weightlifting, we
have a
love this, we love
question,
that.
Karan. I have a small question for you. There was a time,
Hmm.
probably I think 10 years back, when Patanjali was not formed and Baba Ramdev was actually known as a yoga guru. Now he's a retail tycoon now. But my question to
Yeah.
you
No.
is, how could he gather people in thousands and lakhs early morning at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and doing this entire thing? Why couldn't the present day yoga trainers, fitness coaches are not able to perform that? Can you tell me what was that reason?
I guess the main reason behind that is like in today's time, people just want to earn money, that's it. They don't want to provide value, being honest.
Yeah,
Just like
but
Baba Ramdev, being, I don't think so he charged any fees from the people who came to his sessions in the morning,
so I
right?
think everyone who is into this fitness coach can take him as one of their business gurus rather than a fitness guru. That how you can start with a
Yeah,
normal breathing exercise and you can become a retail
breathing
giant.
exercise. Yeah, obviously, right? That's the only case. Even I have some group of people. Daily, I morning I go to my nearby park, and there I have like all the ages, whether you're 20 or 30 plus or 40, even 50 plus. They're doing yoga with me. I'm helping them, and I'm not charging anything. I'm being honest. I'm not even saying like it's like they have interest. Like it's just I'm making that fun with exercises, right? There's nothing else you have to feel like fun with yoga. That is how
Okay.
I am doing it.
So is there
So that's
anything that you would like me probably to share? If you have any kind of such kind of informations, then the audience who are listening to this, they might also get some of your piece of nuggets. And they can also, because now you mentioned that even your mother was somebody who is actually doing it all with you. I'm sure there are a lot of millennials, a lot of people who are older than the millennials are there in the forum who would
Mhm.
like to see how a young person is actually trying to change the face of the fitness industry through his probably the baby steps, but these baby steps are definitely the steps which
Yep.
gonna be a man step tomorrow, right? So with that,
Mhm.
Karan, let me
Right.
also, we are almost like at the end of this interview also. I would also like to um, ask you, is there anything that you want people to right now practice or think or probably do when they are locked down like this? And God bless that if we have one more or two more sessions like this, the entire day like this is something I feel rather than taking it as a wasting or an investment, I think people should take it as an opportunity. And people like you who are
Yeah.
experts in the dimensions of healthcare and fitness, over to you. I want you to probably tell, like, what is the best thing
Like,
anyone at home can do?
mhm. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, I'm there. I'm there. I can listen to you.
Hello.
Can you
Yeah.
hear me?
So mine advice. Yeah, I can hear you. So mine advice right now would be like, don't get panic of the situation right now. Okay, we understand what happened,
Yeah.
right? Like I'm seeing people are like they're so worried right now, like so worried. They're like sharing obnoxious news from here and like iska cure mil gaya hai ya this is the medicine which you want to eat right now to get protected from this coronavirus. Like already I trust who World Health Organization, they have released their reports. They, so everyone knows the measures how to be safe, right? Just follow those simple measures. You have nothing else to do. Don't take any like I've seen some stupid like people are even trying to monetize in coronavirus. They're trying to sell, like as I got this ad, and no, I won't name this company. And like seriously, they did this. They like you can buy these air purifiers which can help you in removing the unpurified air of coronavirus. It will help you to save you from coronavirus. And I was like,
I think you
seriously,
have no
like
problem to shout out the brand name because you are actually helping a lot of people to understand that, such kind of probably, opportunist marketing is something that people should actually stop.
uh,
No
I'm
worries.
being
Okay, go
honest
ahead.
right now. I'm being honest right now. I don't think so to even raise any hand to or any finger to them. Right? Let them do. Even people are promoting such things. Being honest, so I don't want to promote, like
That's
raise any
okay. That's
finger on
okay.
them.
Fine.
Right? Let
So
them do.
you,
I guess
yeah,
even doctors, like they should do the best. But I still see doctors are also falling into these traps, and I guess these brands are paying them something. That's why they're promoting. So
yeah,
I should say doctors, like हम उनको we tell they are the second god, like they save our lives, right?
yeah,
So and they are so well educated, then they shouldn't do all these things, being honest,
yeah.
because at the end they are misguiding others as well as their people, right?
Right. I got this.
Right.
So, Karan, probably, if I need to sum up all these things, so what is your take? I have just written it down. Is that stay away from all the rumors and all the information which is coming in packages, nicely served in packages of offers and different kind of combo based kind of stuff. So stay away from all these things and probably look at your inner self, think on what is the best that you can come out, stay silent, but stay on your own toes, and probably listen to your inner feelings. I'm just trying to sum up. Is that all, or you want to add something into this?
I want to add one more thing right now, right? Being honest, I want, like, just like we install applications on our phone, we need to install one app in ourselves,
Hmm. Hmm.
right? And that app, app, that the full form of app is awareness,
Hmm.
active, like awareness, proactiveness, and prevention, right? This is the
Okay.
kind of app which I want people right now to install in their mind, not just like
Yeah.
install the app in a phone, right? So awareness in the sense to spread the right awareness about this virus, right?
Correct.
Not just do forward stupid messages on WhatsApp or whatever on Facebook, whatever medium, right?
Nice.
Proactiveness, right? If you find someone who is into this virus, not to know like treat them like, oh my god, he's suffering or she's suffering from this virus, हमें इनसे दूर हो जाना चाहिए और हमें इनसे ना इनको बिल्कुल don't treat them like they're something aliens, right?
Yeah.
People are doing, yeah, like, so you need to be, if you find someone, like, at least help them, take the precaution measure, you wear your mask, wear your gloves, good gloves, and help that person to take them to nearby hospital if you find
Hmm.
someone who is suffering
Yeah.
from this coronavirus, right?
Very nice. Very
And
nice.
prevention is like, if you do the same thing like what everyone is teaching, like wash your hands and like wear your mask, don't eat good food, drink your water, have a good sleep. This is what everyone is teaching, even Ayurveda is teaching. So that is what I want. So this is one app which I want everyone to install in their mind.
Nice, very
That
nicely
is,
articulated, Karan. And with that,
yeah,
I would like to also thank the visitors and the viewers who are watching this. So this is a great, I think, an amazing way of installing. So go back to the not the Google but the God and ask for all this particular app to be downloaded called as awareness, proactiveness, preventive care, and probably add one more something, which is the precautionary instinct that you have. You know what best is good for you or your
yep,
family. So let's do that.
yep,
Let's practice that. You don't have to purposely get out and do something. You have to become the Superman of this industry. Not required.
yep.
So stay inside, stay locked, but have an open-minded gate. Let the words of wisdom come in through, and let people like Karan actually, come back in your life and create that next level of version 2.0 of yours. So thank you so much, Karan. Thank you for joining the show. It
Thank you so,
makes a lot of efforts to
thank you
be
so
in
much.
this, and I really appreciate, and I would love to have more such kind of communication with you. And I'm wishing you
Same,
all the good luck from all my viewers and all my people who are connected to me. And you are doing a
same
fantastic
as
job.
same to you. Thank you so much for this interview, and I would love, like, if people really really get some knowledge or some potential from this, and really sir, you're doing a really great job. Thank you for today's time.
Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.